Yo, I am back again. I don't even know how to hold this phone because it is my first vlog, my first ever vlog, and I'm not gonna edit anything to tell you otherwise. How do I? Cause in Pege, camera. How do I? Hey guys, I don't know how you guys do this thing, but it seems like I'm supposed to be looking at the cam. I do not have to get distracted by looking at my face because I'm using a front camera. I forgot my stand, as I was saying. So yeah, right now guys, I'm on my way to JHB Alberton. So I'm gonna keep updating y'all what's happening. Hey guys, I'm going to pay camera. I just can't look at the camera. I don't know, but I just can't look at the camera. Like my face is distracting me. I'm telling like, first you have to go pick up the car. You have to go pick up the car. After picking up the car, and then it's gonna be simple. We're gonna do our thing. Say fire. It doesn't mean anything for no but God, I can't just talk. You know. But anyway, yeah, guys. Another camera, but anyway, it's fine. I'm gonna keep recording. I'm coming back again. I'm gonna keep recording. I'm gonna pause the video right now till we get to where we taking a car, and then after that, yeah. So yeah, this is where I'm at. See, the house is there. That's ZCC. Yeah, that's ZCC. You saw ZCC? ZCC is there. Moshe go. Tamboya. Oops. My papa saw. Oh. Dang. Ngithengeleni pia. Thana bengazuthi le video le. Mangizeyiposta vele namhlanje. Ningithengele ibhiya kodwa Jesus. Guys, let me pause the video and then I'm gonna come back. To you. I have my mics, but I'm lazy to open the bag and just like, but I'm sure this one like takes very good. So I love this one. Wait, I've been here. Kunje Linda Walena? Kwamhlanga. Yeah. Kupuka lesi or lesi singale. I've been here. Ona le pave nyane sayikhuphuka. Sabe sikhaphuma intombazana so masifela bheka yibo sambona ukuthi musu wena kahlanje lazo siwayo kaje uhleze emalini musu wena. Yo guys, let me pause the video. Yeah, okay guys, now we here. I paused the video. Don't think I'm not gonna pause the video. I mean, I'm not gonna edit. This thing of edit left and right and not what saying I mean there was editing and editing. So we makati moti kuphi la? Engale move. Wait, akunamfana la ongacanda. Hey guys, asikhona. Uhlala enzani? Uhlala. Yeah guys, we are here. The cam. Yeah guys, we are here. Solandi moto yela. I bought a car. So the car that I just bought, it having some little problems. So now we're here to pick it up. Guys, puman masinga man. Mabe na puma cause nazi moto zeza so shayisa umnyama. Moto za puma yabona. Mabe na puma vula ngale puma ngale. Yabona guys. I just bought myself a car, so we had to pick it up. But anyway, nevertheless, yeah, you guys can come out if you want to. Nevertheless, maslaishe ni moto, and then ngiyilungisa phambili. Kwa manje la vele ngizolala. Kana uvala iminyango? Yabona, na trailer lapha. That's our trailer. This is where we bought the house. Kavan kitla lapha kulo muzi lo. Buke kitla lapha again. Nalibona. That's crazy. People are living large. Man vala niminyango usigeneni. Yo. Send money na. It's again. Ngena phakathi mabe again. Jesus. Kanifuna kwenzani nini? Why again? Okay, German lapho ke. Yeah, guys, the car that I bought is just inside here, so I'm going to check it out. The trailer there, everything is fine. Martin, let me tell you, say push up from ngal. Yeah, or when uzopaka le uzoletha le. Mara lapho yondlula kanjani? Ngathi mele ibe ngaphandle musi. Le moto ne. Mele silayishele ngaphandle. Guys, this trailer. Now ngesindelo. It's quite a little bit heavy. Yeah, it's quite a little bit. But salako umuntu yami mina ngihamba naye. Ngeke ngize ngihlala. Wena kanti uhlala la wangagcini. Wangagcini. Yeah? Wangagcini.
Oh, we didn't have.
You guys don't have what? Okay, and then why don't you like kind of like fix somewhere there like to prepare for?
They do it like everything.
What the fuck are you doing there?
I'm just chilling.
Bro, this guy. This guy. Ngagcina nini konje? Family gathering.
Yeah.
Damn, it's been a fucking. Okay, guys. Let me pause. I'm coming back. Okay. Yeah, guys. I'm taking this car. Yeah. I told you guys. I don't even know what's missing, but everything's gonna be fine. Okay, everything's gonna be fine. I'm not gonna edit this thing. I am not gonna edit this thing. If you guys hoping you're gonna see my subtitle, seeing what. Hey, ang sila masele point lao, sila streamer win lao. But shout out to Sonabile. I love that fucking guy. I watch that guy every day. Sonabile. Only him. Oh, in Amari. There's this one called Amari. But fuck it. I love it. A little bit drunk, but then I'm fine. Okay guys, I'm like, let me show you the car. Here's the car. Flip the car. Be utshale utshalile ngapha unemfuyo. Where is it? Here's the car, guys. I just bought this car. It looks fine. Everything is fine. You see, yo, the heat. It looks fine now. So the only problem it had, just a small problem, but then it's fixable. You see, everything is fine. Everything is fine, guys. Everything is fine. So you guys wanna see me on this car every now and then. You guys wanna see me in this car every now and then. Like you guys should know that. I ain't lying. I ain't bluffing out. Wait. Oh, I see. Hey, naso siphansi ngathi bayidrobhile. Yeah, siphansi. So motherfuckers, stay tuned. I'ma pause the video. Now again, I'ma pause the video and I'm coming back. I need everybody to congratulate me, but I need myself a Mustang. So I'm gonna buy myself a Mustang next time. This one is from point A to point B. You know, point A to point B. We don't play too much. We don't do too much. You can't be buying something more expensive that will take you only from point A to point B, and then you're buying something expensive. If you want to buy your dream car, you have to start small. And I'm starting small. So let's pause it. I'm coming back, okay?
Yeah. Yala beyaphuma.
Iplug liphuma lonke. Then they thought
Abantu akutshela ukuthi mayifika la unyele i-allowance ukuthi bese
Makeda siyithi ya.
ungazama ukuyivula.
God damn it. Ayifuni ukuphuma nayibona. Ayifuni ukuphuma. Kuze uphuma ngenkani yahlala. Oh, isiphambili.
Yawo.
Anke la bengalungi. Wethawe ngakhona.
Ngikutshelile ngathi lo batshelile ngathi lo.
Wethawe ngakhona ngoba manalali umuntu wathanda. Mina ngeke. Awuzangelela. Ungakhona allowance ngafani lokho ngokwethu.
Hayi bale kama break. Okay. Oh.
Ungayipresi uyibhuke kahle yashuka. Ufunze nayo la kithi. Buka bag thina bag phone. Bag phone ne. Ukuthi usuka right.
Kaka lesi sikola mo pick up.
Guys, I am taking this car. Telling I'm taking it.
Kaka lesi push down. Cool.
Shukran. Ngiyacala futhi njengasekini.
What?
Sama.
Okay.
Lana. Ngolile la.
It's very right.
Yeah. Vela bambala. Ngeke
Yenza. Oh, damn. Bona ngala kwenzakala.
BPM. Let haven. Up one. Pause. What pause?
Aibo. What is our pot? Yeah.
What top in our son.
Nah, I want my FIFA win. I'm going to talk about FIFA win. I'm going to buy one. Yes, yes, I'm going to buy FIFA. Buy FIFA,
Phela amandla la.
Masihende. Masihende one season. There's like that for hands. Yeah, yes, oh. Manpower, motherfucker. We're taking this car. Boys are man. Oh. Give me that. Wait down, man. Give me that. Hola, machita, ne? Easy. Wait down. Now it is on. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm taking this fucking car. Don't expect to go ban, like it, right? Never do that. Yeah, now you're struggling. You're level ikabanga kakhulu. Ukuthi after ibhande lisebenza njani. Oh. Maramelo ibophe. You be 100% stable. What's up, Bafanas? Are you good? Hola, Bafanas, are you good? Izo, Bafanas, are you good? Wawuhlalise phansi ngoba bengiyokulanda la usukumile. Are you good? Hola. Yeah. Giving the signature. Hey, why isn't it like this? Sign. Hola. Sanyana. Aye. Paratito. I was on new face, bro. What? You keep. Yeah, wait. I'm taking this car.
Zap.
Simple as that. If. Oh, let's wear color. And then lapho uyenza njani ke? What's happening? To be honest, we don't really know what we're doing, but we're doing it because we believe. So we don't really know what the fuck are we doing, but we ended up doing it. You know what I'm saying? Never mind my eyes. I'm a little bit drunk, but I'm not fucking. I know, man. I'm tipsy. Okay, fucking tipsy. And then I limala na ba? Ipapa. I think it's a pair. Enjoy look.
Chiquisa, ver.
Lenye kichwa mahams.
Mira, ese es el show.
And then let.
Chiquisa, ver. Ese es el show.
Guys, we have a long way to drive. Like a very, very long way to drive. Shabi.
Chiquisa, ver.
Do we even know what we're doing?
Yeah, we.
Telling you the truth, I don't think we do. But we're doing it. You know what I'm saying? We're doing it. So I'm gonna pause the video and then I'm gonna come back as soon as I believe that we're done. We done. So I'm gonna pause the video for a moment. Yeah, just for a moment. Yeah. Still struggling to put a car or to live. No, what the fuck am I fucking even saying? I'm not used to these vlog things. You see, I almost even call it a blog. Very crazy I am. But then soon we're gonna be done. Yeah, soon we're gonna be done. Everything's gonna be nice. Everything's gonna be fine. And then we're on our way to Alpen fucking Town. So anyone who's there, anyone who wanna holler, I am there. Okay? I am there. And we're about to have some fun. I'm gonna like show you everything that I'll be doing. Every single thing. I'm not gonna leave anything behind. Now I don't care how long my video is gonna take, but I'm gonna post it like that because it's my first vlog. You have to remember it's my first thing, okay? So let's not judge each other. Okay, let's not judge each other. I wanna take out my mics, but I will so let's not judge each other, guys. Let's continue being busy here. We're winning. So quick.
Hey, what you want? We pick up. We promise a little bit.
Kanting Zombonani. Guys, to tell you, we are still busy. We are still on it. Imagine, we are still busy. We are still on it. And then Gomelo with this side, and then we figure Spopa the way Spopa Makona on this side. We're still on it. Imagine.
Yes. Plan B.
Guys, it is a struggle, but at the end of the day, it's gonna be fine. It is 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 gonna be fine. I miss my phone stand down. So yeah, I will give you an update. I will give you an update. Guys, we are done. Let's hope we're gonna have a safe trip. Let's hope we're gonna have a safe trip. Hey guys, don't judge, yeah. Let's just hope we're gonna have. Let's hope we're gonna have a safe trip. Everything's gonna be fine. Cause I need this car. I need this car. Oh my god, I didn't call my babe. Okay, I'm supposed to call my babe right now. Damn, let me just call my babe. And then I'm gonna come back to y'all. But then the update is that we are done. So right now we're about to leave. When everything is fine, so we're about to leave right now. Pa 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 pa. You lapho kule ndawo. Abona samba ngani? Samba ngomshini, samba nge-omega lana baba. Samba ngomshini yela. So let me pause the video. Talk to you later on. Damn, now we're leaving. Let's hope everything is gonna be fine. Let's hope uTimothy izohamba nathi ngendlela right guys ne. Hey, masithembeni. Hey bafo, sharp ne. Oh. Hey. Masithembeni ke manje. Sizohamba kahle save yonke into yethu ibe right. La selizishonile. Sifuna ukumamela imoto ukwenzakalani emuva. Ngithule nithi tu, ngathi ningalala. Lokho kuzosinceda. Yeah guys, so right now we're leaving. Let's hope. So we're futhi ngishutele. Sibonene ukuthi sihambe ngendlela right, sihambe not ngendlela right, sihambe ngaphi. Wait. The fuck was that? And I pants le trailer le tamusa nayo beyenza. Guys, our problem is the trailer. The pants are cool. Ay, ingawi. Hamsi, how are we gonna deal with it? But then yeah, let's see guys, let's see guys. But ihlale ithembeni, alright? Ihlale nithembeni guys, ihlale nithembeni. Everything kispe ikhona njani vele? See. Okay, right now seems like everything is fine, but we still have a long way to go. Like we still have a long way to go. Okay. Very nice. We don't know what's katla. But there's also something that says katla. Yeah. Mara look tight look abseko. Look tight look bubenzela. Is it everything fine? Tightness? Yeah, ngapa ku tight ngapa. Yeah. Everything seems like it's fine. It's good. Let's go and see. I'm gonna pause it. Sounding good now. Okay, this is when you take the car. Okay, yeah. I don't have a flash. Don't blame me. Hey, thoughts, ane? Yes, tu manja. Damn. Let me put. I'ma stop the video and then I'ma update you as soon as we get where we're going, or as soon as we have any problem on the road, and then I'm gonna update you. I'm gonna do everything. Right, so for now, peace. This is my view. Ooh, my flash. Yes. Look at my view. Lights all over. Yeah, now we're checking the car whether it's still. Way. Oh, you will find in Tambo son nela. Son nela ya wu. Who is saying up so? Yeah. So for all guys, we're checking the car. Right, whether it's still fine. And the stainless now so see pan the trailer there, guys. It's way too dark. Can the chain lay on ibam? Oh, ibambe na le moto. Oh, bangari tricky. Oh. Vamos que ele limaza de tire. Yeah, everything looks fine for now, so just hope to go to look to this orange evil. So yeah, everything is fine for now. We're really hoping everything is good. Sikon Mukamba guys, even night, please, even night, Sky all the lucky. And pray for us, we get safe, be with us, and yeah, there's nothing I can say, but yeah, we're leaving now. Everything looks fine in the car. Everything looks fine. So yeah, I'm gonna keep updating you. Let's get where we're going safe. Fix the car and be fine. So yeah, I'm gonna update you. Peace again. The whole piece of a dreadlock just came out. Imagine. Just imagine. I just lost the whole piece. Play. Ini nicheke kuphi? Oh, ayeleza ngiche. But I don't think so. Kumela ngalasa this one because la kamuga, so I had to make a plan ngilibusele. But now look, but I wanna see though. What's it give me? Yeah, simile lana. Just check the car, and the car is fine. So, so saqhubeka ngendlela siya phambili. The car is fine. Saqhubeka ngendlela ke manje ke. You see, we continue. Everything in car. How? What's that? Oh, I'm gonna shoot that car. Yeah, everything is fine. We're going back. Okay. It's so good. You're on the road, motherfucker! But we're getting home. Going home.
Yana?
Yep, we arrived. This is our final destination. This is our final destination. Hey guys, you guys must forgive me. I don't have a light. But this is our final destination. So yeah, we just arrived. Sorry, everything is fine. My moto. Here's this baby. Everything is on. Everything was fine. Sambega save. They say everything is on. Yeah, this is the new baby, yeah. Guys, we just arrived. We're here and we tired as fuck. So right now, so moto, and then say tata say paka, and then spaka na lenge, and then I just need something to eat. And after eating, I think I'm gonna just black out. I'm just gonna sleep because I'm tired. This is my boy. Say what's up, man?
Stakile.
Yeah, bestakile sir. Not besngastakanga. Besilanda imoto ngithi boy. No yam. Naye babakho phambili. Wena yakho umncane ngaka. Oh, segibela si2. Mara you driver mina ngithi. Yeah, when you do not drive, right? How? I'm the only one who's gonna drive. Yeah. Bo drive or bo chigis driver. Exactly. So yeah, guys, we just arrived. This is Alberton. This street is Alberton. Yeah, we're here. I'm gonna post the video right now because we have to untie the car and then we do the rest. Let's see what's happening inside. Because there is someone. Hey, the green now is set. It's ready. Yo, I'm even cold. I think I'm gonna take it cheesy. Yo, I think I'm gonna take it. Go inside. Get up, I think I'm gonna take it cheesy. Like I'm fucking cold as fuck. So I'm gonna pause the video. Yeah, guys. Yeah, we just arrived. We're in the house right now, but then we're still going out because it's made us click the motor, as I was saying. So yeah. Sambi so tila ngale moto ke manje. Sicela ukutila ngale moto yonke into ethi on. See? Lento le khanyisilo kanje ilight phambili. Mara semoyeni khanyise.
Mascota.
What?
Mascota.
Mascota. It is an airplane though. yeah, guys, let's do everything and then we get inside as fast as we can. Then I'm gonna update y'all as soon as we inside. I think it's fine. So Takimoto Manja is gonna give us some struggle, but then we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it at the end of the day, okay? So yeah. Yeah, guys, we're trying to untie here. So yeah. Wait, yes. I'm just trying to untie everything so it can be fine. Take this spoon. Ciao. Ngathi jike yavuya. Yeah. Kahle kahle yini into stopako kan la? Ayijiki lento. Ibambile ngathi lana le. Melu idonsa. Melu idonsa. Tonsa le tonsa na le kani bopha ngahuphi no kan le kumela ngibuye so lo idonsa we
kahle bengithi ngiyayidonsa ngisho manje ngikani manje yenza ifindo.
wafana sa ukotola ana hey shiti yimnyiwan boy nkotola ko uyavuma uthi yimnyiwan awuvumi maye mina wayengcoka ijezi
Athanda uvele uthi.
ngithanda ukugcoka ijezi
Yeah.
jezi yami
Suka lapha sipho. Yo, baba west.
Akumbele sasa. Ambulele mtu ya istakiri PM. Akumbule.
then mase uchacha ngapho iphi itanti yakhona ibophe yakhona le
Ngizama ukuyiluza lapha, boys.
ukwenzani
Ngathi iluze ngapha. Engazi.
ngithi ngilight ngaphi oh yeah nice
Comment.
yeah
Kaba, eu se fez senta sana. Mas o sistema não. Tengah
yeah guys, so here's the cover. Situtuyifaka lana Siceda ukufika, siceda ukuyifaka. Then it's fine. So now we're putting the one that we came with. So yeah, everything is fine. We arrived. We're happy. We are safe. So let's just see tomorrow. So yeah, sibone kusasa guys. We're gonna update kahle kusasa ke. But right now, yeah, sekuchayisile guys. I'm fucking hungry as fuck. So I just wanna eat. I think I'm not supposed to be using the front cam. I'm gonna start using the back cam by tomorrow. I'm gonna see. See. My back here. Backs. Valer, abafuna ukuvuka boy.
Yeah.
Hey. Yeah, let's take out the bags and then keep the TV right.